Hi, my friends. I want to invite you to Viv Unplugged. And now, what makes Viv Unplugged super special? Well, we have a live event that takes place every month. So you and I, we get to meet and we can connect on the screen. I demonstrate and show you a technique and you recreate it. So we're working literally side by side. I show you, you do. I show you, you do. And at the end of it, we have a great learn together. You can ask questions and it's just a wonderful 2-hour session that we host once a month. The other wonderful thing about Viv Unplugged is that you have this vast library: haircuts, razor cutting, color, perming, very innovative perming, I must say, styling, and I call it face shape design, but it's about recognizing who is sitting in your chair. We also have hair heroes there, so you can look at my hair heroes, and it's so much fun because I had them teach me their favorite hairstyles. You see, it doesn't matter how long you've been in the business. It's important to be a lifelong learner. And so I'm just showing you a really good example of what it's like to be a student. And in this case, I'm working with some of the greatest hairdressers in the world. Not intimidating at all, right? It was so much fun. The goal is to inspire you. Check out Live Unplugged. I think you'll have a wonderful time with this. It's our starting place in our training. If you enjoy that, then the next step will be to join one of our certification programs. But just get your little toes wet, have a little play, and I look forward to seeing you in one of our live Zoom sessions. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye.